I'm afraid to forget. I'll think of you when I fall asleep in my bed. You love so fully, such a spark of brilliance. Though it's hard to part ways, I'll keep you here with me. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You were my first love and I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our time in the soft breeze. Not a lot of love can withstand what we went through. You make me dream. Time flew so quickly. You touched me so deeply. I can't understand why a season's all we can keep. Time to let you go. I still dream of you at night. I think of all the lessons that I learned from you. On and on we see there's something we don't know. You were my first love and I can't ever let you go. Thinking of all of our time in the soft breeze. Not a lot of love can withstand what we went through. You made me grow. Today I woke up feeling pretty good and feeling like I should go out on a run. Don't know where, I don't care. Put my headphones on and played my favorite song and drifted off to a different space. It's a feeling